Hello friend, welcome to GWEIKE Laser. This is our main building and you can see it has 4 floors and later I will show you every floor inside and this is a big car. It just transferred many goods for us and this is one of our workshop. It mainly produces little and middle powered machines, and let's show you our high powered workshop. Yeah, today is a busy day, so many cars here to transfer goods, and some goods will be shipped, and this is facial recognition to protect our secret. Yeah, you can see so many big machines, and the light is dim, but it will be okay for us to see. And many high-powered machines. Our engineers are working here. Yeah. The space is in the space. Yeah, this building is very huge. I can show you around high-powered machine. Yeah. RF3015 GAR. This is a production line. They are ready to shipment, and the new one is under installing. You can see the power of our company as you can imagine. It's produce our company produce so many high powered machines, and we this one is welding bad, and it's very strong, and this one is RF60M. Is designed for cutting 6 meters tube, and it's also a hot sale. Yeah, they are testing the machine. Okay, follow me. I will show you another workshop.